My people, oh, wetin woman be they do to woman be. Wetin person they do to person. Person not they tell person. Remove your hand for bad thing. Mba. Mba me no. Banu no. Mba. Enter house no. My people, all of them know now. Now here we they talk and the way they be. As it dey hurt, we dey bring a call here without wasting time. My wonderful and amazing people, they warn you. I get all of now well. I shake her for body for now. Back to sender medicine. I tell her, say as on today, if you they pray back to sender, back to sender, back to just they pray back to sender. That's it. The prayer one I will pray now, back to sender, back to sender, back to sender. Just that one. Finito. Don't bother yourself. Anything you wish me, I wish am back to you. Chicken now. Anything you wish me, I wish it back to you. No fights, no quarrel. My people, oh, make una come see wetin person they do person, oh. Make una sit down, make una the story the way they play. Una know say as it dey hot, I cannot call here without wasting time. But before we go enter inside this matter, I want to say first of all, thank you. All of una. Una welcome back to Kasala News TV. I appreciate all of una well. Both the people we don't subscribe already, and both the people we just join us for the first time. God go bless una. Kasala News, they say thank you. I appreciate all of una for una love. Una they show me for Kasala. Oh. My people. Una don't hear the latest. Back to sender. Judy Austin, I want to remind you, you don't mess with everybody. No, you cannot mess with everybody. Mommy Rita is not your mate. Mommy Rita is not male. You know say mate they live am for God. Mommy Rita don't live am to God. He go deal with you physical. You know they wait for tomorrow. He go show you na what she has waiting she sabi do better. Because if you tell Mommy Rita say sabi make trouble, she go give you bundle. If you say you want peace, Mommy Rita go give you peace. If you say you want follow her for prayer, she go free. Anyone when you bring with TNO. Bring her for Mommy Rita, she go take her for you. You know say she tell you say your head go soon break. But people don't understand. You know they shame husband baba. Husband snatcher, you know they shame. My people, una know say Mommy Rita tell this woman say your head with two guinea break. Now head don't break, so make her give una the cocoa. Now, native Juju Austin, the native doctor's wife. He can't call native doctor. He say he want make native doctor do work for him. Now native doctor say which work he want make I do for you. He say Mommy Rita they disturb him. Mommy Rita they put some side for Igari. Mommy Rita they stand for me. Mommy Rita they support me. So I want to make you buy Mommy Rita for me. Or do something make she go collect mental. Anything you want do and do one. Just to shut up her mouth. Now anything they got okay. I'm call. Now she say no. Don't come to my house. So. That is my cause why? I'd always come to your house. We go do juju, we go do dudu, we go do pekus. Now juju ekoti say no, we cannot do pekus now. You know if you come my house because why? I dey call your house all the time. Now your house I go burn the thing, show you how I go do it. He say no. Yule Edochie dey for house. My mama dey for house. You cannot come to my house. Biko, what do you go do for me now? Nato. Do the thing. My sister, Augusta, will come block you and collect them from your hand. Then because I better be won't see you because you don't take when I feel you. When I know what I mean by feeling now. Nobody meeting person they talk for you for social media. He say he don't take when I feel you. I can say I know. Don't worry. You go soon see me. Before the reason why they allow you to come house because you they for a job for Lagos. In the stay Lagos. You know they stay here. Now go, now they go, they come. If he finish, he go tell you what to do. He go tell you how you go do am. Now he can talk say no problem. I go follow your instruction. And I go say okay. Please do it the way I want you to do it. So the man come perform the juju. He want to buy Mommy Rita or he want to paralyze her. I don't know if they want to do Mommy Rita. But now Mommy Rita, now he do the thing too. The man can go carry and give his sister where they call Augusta. Augusta can call Juju Queens to say, the man don't give me the tea. Where you want me to put on theirs, you know theirs. Now goes at the place where they put on before, put on for them. Now his sister can say, no problem. I go put on for them. So now his sister can carry him. Come to put on for where he say make he put on. Okay? So he can put on there. My people, as he put on there, she can't come out. Can't call Juju say, I don't put on for there. It comes okay. Do you also cause okay? I can't ask now. Make I can't do the way the man takes make I do one. I don't know what my mama define. Whether she dey hungry, whether they give her food chop. But what I know say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. What me I know be say their cup don't finally full. That's why what happen today happen. Okay. So now, in mama can go open the food. As in mama open the thing. You don't know what inside. You know, so she dey get kolo and menta. She begin eat them. She begin eat them. They say as they eat the thing, according to the house help, come begin the shout. They shout. Unfortunately, Judy Austin was just coming back because in they come back to come pick the thing. Okay. So in they come house, make it come pick the thing. Now he rush come as he come meet the incident. What happen? I tell her say, now your mama you dey eat this thing. I say, Augusta. Now I snap and picture show Augusta. Say, no be what you send for me. I say, now what I send for you? Say, eh? Our mother jump before they say Jack Robinson. They say your mother don't fall for grant. You don't begin to vomit. You don't begin to vomit. Now Juju comes to the shout, Jesus. Now cause you will be a queen, so you see the shout Jesus. How you tell no Jesus? How you tell relate to Jesus? Where they concern Jesus? My people. They say they rush sham. Carry and go native doctor, please. The native doctor, when he give her the thing, now they can see rush sham go. Say, I see, now the mic say, I go hard though. How are you people this careless? Now I say, no, you know theirs. I say, come but make it come perform the thing. The way you ask them to do it. That is they surprise. Say, if mama don't chop, and now the woman goes, I go cost you money. If not, your mama go buy you. But then go fit bring her back. But it go to cost me money. And she go to stay here for 3 days with me to give her the food. Something we go to vomit the tea matter. And I go say, this is what I call back to sender. The thing where Juju Queen Soup won't do to Mommy Rita, and now went back to her mother. My people, when I see why it's good to serve God, it's good to know God. It's good to serve God. Mommy Rita, they serve God. Now God protect and answer her. She not dead there. They use their hand. They make mistake. They use their hand. They buy themselves. How wanna see the matter? How wanna see this matter? You see where your God is standing for you. You go there far. You no go even know how God is working for you. So my people, I go leave una for here, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye bye.